In this demonstration, we'll play the example of the sales manager using Dynamics 365 Business Central. Obviously, a solution that's presented to a sales manager should always focus on the core responsibilities of managing a sales team, managing quota, forecast, and reporting, and of course, access to inventory. In this scenario, I'll show you how to inspect all the overdue sales opportunities, access inventory quantities directly within the application, and then review any open sales opportunities. Let's begin. So, inspecting the overdue opportunities, you'll see here you have a role-based homepage. So you do have some customer management, relationship management, or CRM capabilities within Business Central. And so here you can see I'm logged in as a sales manager, and I get a wealth of information that's relevant to me. Right, a lot of the details are delivered here right within that homepage. And beyond the tiles and the cues on the top half of the page, if I scroll down again, not only to see the funnel and the opportunities, I've got tiles, and again, at the end of the month, tiles and graphs, et cetera, to show me my top 5 opportunities. But at the end of the month or the end of the quarter, um, the sales manager is certainly alarmed by the red flag denoted by these overdue opportunities. So we could go ahead and click into the overdue opportunities. And you'll see here there are several opportunities that are outstanding and that require additional research. So I can click on the column to personalize the sorting option. So I can just simply select on that and now have that descending based on the estimated value. And then with this opportunity highlighted, I'll just show that opportunity card. And so again, I can see the description. I could see the salesperson. It says it's a low priority. And where it is in the sales cycle, it's in stage one. And I can click on the number of different interactions here. So again, we've got a large opportunity, one of our largest, and just want to, after the initial call, I could see here uh, the outcome was tagged as very positive. I can open up the comments here. You can see that this was a very positive interaction, but I need to make sure I can comment or look at all the notes on that opportunity, see how relevant that is and whether it's going to close for us this period. Now, in many organizations, providing information to these team members is paramount to the success. And traditionally, salespeople don't necessarily always see what is in inventory, right? There's a limited view of data that typically rolls into, say, the accountant or the bookkeepers, right? All the financial folks. But using Dynamics 365 Business Central, I'm able as a sales manager to quickly and easily find the information that I need. Again, assuming I've been granted rights to it, but that I don't have to log in and out of applications to see that data. So you can see again, I'm back on this home page, and up at the top, under the menu here, you can see I have access to my items. So I can, again, kind of reducing those barriers that typically exist within organizations that I don't really know what's physically in inventory. So I can see all the desks, the chairs, I can see kind of a description of them, as well as the number of units that we have in inventory. But going beyond that, you can see here we have some artificial intelligence, some apps. This one is called the Sales an inventory forecast app, and it's embedded. It comes within the application. And with the item inventory selected, you could see that these are the items that I have in inventory for this Athens desk. Now, if I toggle and I show the sales forecast, it tells a much different story. You can see that over the next couple of months, we've got a very healthy pipeline. That's going to be a little bit of a concern, and I want to have some dialogue with our procurement team just to make sure that we are either manufacturing or purchasing enough of those Athens desks to satisfy demand. Now, I can also have access to reporting. Again, I can click on inventory reports. I can see the statistics of that. I can see what my top selling items happen to be. Clearly, the Athens desk at 27% is a number is a key item for us. So again, we want to make sure that we're staying on top of that, so that as our customers call in, we are providing, uh, we have inventory to satisfy that demand. So again, I could come into here, I could look at some of the details. Again, this might be more so I can see, where uh, the items are sold. This creates another opportunity for me to meet with the sales team to see how much inventory we have in stock. Maybe create a strategy on how do we sell items that might be old in inventory that we've had here again before the year. So maybe these Sydney chairs, these green chairs weren't selling very much, but maybe we can come up with a creative way to get rid of those out of inventory. So again, that's just a simple way for me to gain access to inventory as well as reporting, and then obviously the ability to review the sales opportunities. So in this scenario here, what I'm going to do is switch to my dashboard, my cloud dashboard. We use Microsoft Power BI, so I switch from Business Central. I don't have to log in nor log out. It authenticates, uses the same security credentials, and now that dashboard that I have here, I can drill in and see the details of any particular report that I want to see or opportunity details. I can come into recent here, and then again, I can also have kind of some detailed reports from Excel and do some manipulation here with the pivot table and charts. And then I can come back round trip back into Dynamics 365 Business Central. So the goal of this demonstration for the sales manager was just to show you how we can provide an experience around controlling the data, limit errors without having to log into two different applications to look at inventory and also have access to key reports relevant to that role.